he paid £120 to cut his dreadlocks off. After 3 years, was it worth it?
That's right, yeah.
We're going for this today, guys. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, you sure? You want to do the first one or you want me to do the first one?
Let's go ahead, man.
That's it. There's no going back.
Man.
So let's go.
Exactly.
That's it, guys. Just go in.
Man. You spend years growing it and then just chop it up in seconds.
You just go for seconds. That's it, bro.
Yeah, I feel new, man.
Yeah.
Is it good? Yeah.
Thank you very much. And cheers, bro. Yes, sir.
I felt like be a little shocked because all the hair is gone, but
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
it's really
Thank you very much. Okay?
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.